Okay, I'm watching. Did you find a puddle? Yes, we do have a downpour. Smudgy, why don't you come inside, buddy? Hey guys, let Smudgy through, okay? Don't leave the poor puppy out in the rain. Georgia looks so cute in your galoshes. Hi, buddy. Georgia, look like you're not too sure about this whole rain thing. There's our trees up in the backyard. It's actually not that bad at the moment.
Right now the rain's probably fun.
Right now the rain's kind of fun?
I can walk backwards.
Yes, you can. Watch out, 'cause if you fall, you're going to land with your pretty skirt in the mud. Hey, Dots, where's the puddle? Yes, that's a mud one.
Downpour.
Yes, you have your downpour.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Oh, look, this one's down.
Yes, it is. Oh, wow, that's a nice deep one, too. Yep, all those holes Smudgy dug, they're paying some dividends for you guys now, aren't they? Yes, you are. Are you going to sing it again? Mama, uh-oh. Oh, wow. Dots, here, you ready to go inside, honey? It's not ruined, honey. It's just wet.